Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know blockchain wallet address. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to know your blockchain wallet address, then it's quite simple. Simply tap open your blockchain application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Soon after you're logged in, you'll end up in the home page. From the home page, tap on the receive button and go ahead and select a cryptocurrency that you would like to view the wallet address for. Each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address. So if you want to find a wallet address for your Bitcoin, you'll need to tap on Bitcoin. Similarly, if you want to find the wallet address for Ethereum, you'll need to tap Ethereum. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see a QR code displayed along with your wallet address on the next page. Tap on the copy address and send the wallet address to one of the contacts that you'd want to receive cryptocurrency from, and that way you'll be able to find a wallet address for a particular cryptocurrency. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.